presentation software. This presentation software we have already learned in the lower class also, but for details let's learn today in this chapter. Let's learn about the presentation, slides, theme, template, adding slide to presentation, applying a theme, saving, closing and opening presentations, viewing and organizing slides. Open page number 132 for the definition of presentation. So what is a presentation? A presentation is a systematic display of information on a particular topic. It consists of a number of slides containing elements like text, graphic, movies, sound and graphs. So we know that a presentation is a systematic display of information on a particular topic. You can take any topic. On that topic you can make a presentation in a systematic way for by displaying the information on that topic. In this presentation you can include text, then graphic means pictures, movies, sound or graph also. Next, let's see about what is a slide. A slide are the individual pages on a presentation that can be displayed one by one on a screen. So in a slides, as you have already learned in the lower classes, presentation includes so many slides that slides means a single individual page on the presentations which you can display one by one on a screen. Next, open page number 133. Let's learn creating a new presentations. For creating a new presentation, we can create a new presentations from blank presentations or from a theme or a template. So for creating a presentation using blank presentation, you can go to a file, then select new from the left pane and click blank presentations. After that you click create. For the theme, let's just see first what do you mean by theme. A theme is a unique set of color, font and effect that can quickly change the look of an entire slideshow. That means by using this theme is a set of presentation which is already present in the software. Here, in this unique set, the set is already formed along with the color, font, effect. And if you want to quickly make a presentation, you can use this theme. Easily you can create the presentations. And the third way, you can create a presentation by using a template. A template is also just like a theme. It is a predefined design in the presentations. This is also already present in the software. Just you need to use the template and you can create the presentations. So let's see what is a template. Page number 134. A template is a pre-designed presentation that includes custom formatting and design. So in the template, we have already prepared the presentation along with a custom formatting and design. For this step, for creating the presentation along with a theme and template, we will learn from the computers later on. Next, let's learn how to add slide to a presentation. Page number 135. To insert a slide to a presentation, first click the home tab, then select the slide group. In the slide group, select a new slide from the drop down arrow and select the desired slide layout from the menu that appears. Next, let's apply a theme to a presentation. For applying a theme to a presentation, open page number 136. For applying this, first of all you select your design tab and from the theme group you select the desired theme that you want to apply in your presentation. Next, let's learn how to save, close and open a presentation from page number 138. For saving a document, you click a save button from the quick access toolbar, or you can also press Ctrl+S, or you can go to File tab and you can select Save As from the menu. For closing the document, you click the close symbol which is present opening a presentation, you go to File and click Open and select the desired presentation and click Open. For more details, we will learn from the computer. For the last, from this chapter, let's learn how to view and organize the slide. So in PowerPoint, you have various ways to view your presentations and organize the slides. Number 1, normal view. Next, note page view, reading view, and slide sorter view. You will find all these things in page number 140. What is a normal view? A normal view is the main editing view that you use to create and design the presentations. So this normal view is a view which we usually use in the presentations. Slide sorter view. Slide sorter view is used to see all the slides in the presentation in a miniature forms on the screen. Miniature form means in a small pictures, just like a thumb pictures in the side of the slides. Reading view in a PowerPoint is a view where we can read the text which is written in the presentations. And note page view, in a note page view, you can view the pages of the presentations. Lastly, open page number 141, and from page 141, learn the table 7.1. Commands used in normal and slide sorter view. Here you can find the actions and the options. First, select consecutive multiple slide. If you want to select a consecutive multiple slide, then you hold the Shift key and select the slides. In this way, you can select the consecutive multiple slide in the presentations. Next action, select non-consecutive multiple slide. If you want to select a non-consecutive, that means alternate slides in the presentations, then you hold the Control key and select the slide. Next, delete the slide. If you want to delete the slide, select the slide and press the delete key. So in this manner, you can delete the slides which is unwanted in your slide. Next, to delete the slide, select the slide and press the delete key. In this manner, you can delete the slide which is unwanted in your presentations. To copy or cut the slide, you select the slide and from the Home tab, select copy or cut from the clipboard group. Next, paste the slide. If you want to paste the same slide in your presentations, then select the slide, click the Home tab and select the paste in the clipboard group. Or you can also press Ctrl+B. Move the slide. If you want to move the slide from one place to another, then you select the slide and drag to the new location. So in this manner, you can move the slide from one place to another place. Duplicate slide. If you want to use the same slide, that means the duplicate slide in your presentations, then you select the slide and press Ctrl+D. Step for the following actions. Let's move to the computer screen. So student, as we have already learned theoretically, now let's learn from the computer. This is the window of PowerPoint. Here you can see this is the office button. When you click here, you can see a menu to create a new document or new presentations. Open to open a new presentation. Save to save presentations. Save as same to save the presentations. Here you have quick access toolbar. In the quick access toolbar, you can see save, then undo and redo. Then this is a bar where you can find a title of the presentations. Next to this bar, you have a menu bar. Here you can find Home tab, Insert tab, Design tab, Animation tab, Slideshow, Review and View. Just after the menu bar, you have a ribbon. When you click the Home tab, you will find the ribbon of the Home tab. When you click the Insert tab, you will find the ribbon of the Insert tab. Okay students, now let's learn how to create presentations. This presentation we are going to create from a blank slide. So here type, suppose let's take a topic, computer systems, as a topic of a presentations. So type computer system here. Add the subtitle of computer systems, example hardware and software. After that, let's add a new slide. This is the first slide. Now let's add a second slide. In the second slide, we are going to explain about the hardware. For adding the second slide, from the home tab in the slide group, you click new slide. These are the layout which is present. Out of this layout, we will select title and content. You can also select selection header, or you can also select to content, or you can also select comparisons and so on, depending upon your requirement. But for this presentation, we will select title and content. After that, you write a title, a subtitle, that is hardware, here in the title, and type here about the hardware. Type one more point like the example of the hardware. In the same way, we will add one more slide for writing about the software. Let's write about the software. Write the next point. Now let's add picture in your presentation. To add picture, you click the insert tab. After that, let's add the picture from the clip art. You can also add from the picture, or you can also add from photo album. But let's add from clip art. If you want to write a topic related to your presentation, you can write a topic here, like we are doing here for the computer. You can type here computer. And click go. Then you will find a picture related to the computer, and you can add these pictures in your presentations. So this picture let's add in the first slide. Just drag the picture in your presentations. After that, you can resize the picture. You can make it small or big depending upon your requirement. In the same manner, you can add the picture in the second slide and in the third slide also. Suppose now by mistake we have added one more slide in the presentations, and you want to remove this slide, then you can select this slide and click delete from the keyboard, or you can also do right click and delete the slide. In this way you can remove the slide. So here now we have already completed our presentations, and if you want to save the presentation, you go to office button, click save as, type the name of the presentation, suppose your computer system. After that, click save. Now your presentation is already saved, and you can see the changes in the title bar. In the title bar, computer system has been added. That means your title of this presentation is computer system. After you complete this, totally complete the presentation, you can close the presentations. For closing the presentation, you can click here in this cross symbol. If you want to minimize your presentation, you can click here in this symbol and you can minimize the presentation in this manner. And if you want to bring back, you click back the presentations. If you want to make presentations in the previous size, you click in the restore button. This is the previous size. Here you can rearrange the size of your presentations also. And if you want to bring back to the maximize form, you click here in the maximize. It will be back to the maximize form. So here we have already completed our presentation. Let's close the presentations. I hope students now you have learned how to prepare the presentations. Now you learned the tricky terms and memory bites which is present in your book, page number 141 and 142. Thank you.
Stay home. dreams. Stay safe.
Do it for self.
Do it for your family. Do it for India.
Let's break the chain of COVID-19.
हम होंगे कामयाब, जय हिंद। हम होंगे कामयाब, जय हिंद।
हम होंगे कामयाब, जय हिंद।